Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very easy way to remove whiteheads and blackheads from your face. That when you're having those whiteheads and blackheads, it tends to leave your face really dirty and it clogs your pores. Now when your pores is clogged, your skin will not be looking flawless and beautiful. Okay, so you have to unclog your pores with this homemade remedy. So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. And then let's dive into the video. So for a whiteheads and blackheads removal remedy, we're gonna be needing to use egg. Now egg is loaded with astringent property that helps to tighten up the skin. It helps to get deep into your pores, removing all blackheads and whiteheads, now leaving your skin really clean and rejuvenated. We're going to get a bowl and then we're going to take in just the white of this egg. So this is just the white. We're actually going to be needing rice. Now rice is actually very helpful for the skin. It contains the numerous benefits that helps to remove and clear up dirty pores. It will help in removing blackheads and whiteheads. And so here is the rice. I parboiled it and blend it, and this is how it looks like. So we're gonna be needing to use 1 teaspoon. Now it depends on the quantity you want, guys. You can actually use 1 tablespoon if you want, but since you're actually removing just whiteheads, most of the time whiteheads are located at the nose area and the T-zone area, because those places are the places in which oil usually comes out first on the face before any other place. So after you put this, you have to mash it together with the egg whites, and this, trust me guys, will remove all of those white eggs. Yeah, and your skin will be. And then we're going to be needing ginger powder. This is actually ginger powder, yeah. So how you get ginger powder is that you have to blend your ginger. You have to first of all cut the ginger and dry it before blending it, okay? And you're going to see a whole lot of improvements, okay? So ginger powder is a lot helpful for the skin. It helps to remove pimples and it also works in removing dark spots. So using this on the skin would help to uproot all of those blackheads and whiteheads, yeah? So you're going to be putting just a little quantity of this, not too much of it. A little bit, and it's going to turn this color. Now to make this ingredient works really well, you're going to be needing to use aloe vera, and in this remedy you have to use the fresh aloe vera, guys. Okay, aloe vera is a natural remedy that works wonders for the skin and also the hair and the body. It works really well, so using it on your skin will help you to remove whiteheads and blackheads. So how we're going to be preparing this is that you're going to cut just a little quantity of the aloe vera, and then you're going to prepare it, okay, by removing the peel of the aloe vera this way. Then you grab a blender, and then to extract the juice of this you have to blend it on a blender, and then you're not going to be having no lumps when you do it this way. It's just the aloe vera juice. This is a great way to extract aloe vera juice without a blender or without wasting too much of time. It's actually very ideal. Since I discovered this way, it's been very easy for me to do that. So now I have my aloe vera juice in that bowl, and my ingredient is complete. Yeah, now I would have to be stirring this all up. So I'll be mixing it really well, and my ingredient is complete. And for this, guys, you can actually use it every day for 7 days to remove blackheads, whiteheads, and even out your skin complexion. Okay, guys, so here we have the ingredient, and most of the time you have oil around this T-zone, so basically you're gonna be applying it around your T-zone area. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna be using a brush, and the ideal brush to use after you've applied this ingredient is going to be like a toothbrush, but of course a very soft one. Yeah, so you apply this on your nose, where you likely produce oil very well. Like, there are some people who have oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, and so on and so forth. So there are places in which you produce oil more. Okay, most of the time we tend to produce oil more at the nose area, down to this place if you're having a combination skin. Like for me, I have a combination skin. I'm sure my sister has a normal skin. There's what we call a normal skin, which the oil on the pores on your face is actually the same all over. So you tend to produce oil at the same time everywhere on your face. Okay, unlike me, I have a combination skin. I have a larger pores at this nose area and at this T-zone, and then for this side I have a very tiny pores. Okay, so that is the combination skin. And for dry skin, you hardly even produce oil on your face. For people who have dry skin, when you're applying makeup, you're very lucky because you're not going to be producing oil, and so your makeup is going to last really long and stay long on your face. But for an oily skin person, man, you tend to produce oil everywhere on your face at the same freaking time. Yeah, so invariably it therefore means that the pores on your face is large, like it's large everywhere. Okay, so if you're that kind of person that has an oily skin, you just apply this everywhere and then you scrub it. Okay, this is actually a very mild ingredient. For me, you can see I'm only applying it on those areas where I tend to produce oil the more, which has this nose, the chin, the forehead, and here. Okay, I produce oil more there. So after that, guys, for this ingredient, you have to apply a little bit of force on this by scrubbing it in a circular motion with just your two fingers. Scrub it like that. Now this would actually help to lift up all of those blackheads and whiteheads, and it will also help you to remove dark spots. Okay, you just scrub it like that. Most of the time you tend to produce whiteheads on this area, so you scrub it really well. For me right now, because of my present state, I tend to produce oil more on my face. Okay, literally that's why I developed this pimples that resulted to dark spots. But on my normal self, without anything, my pores used to be smaller, so I don't produce too much of oil, and then I don't have that of pimples or a dark spot. So if you're having oily skin, take note of that. You have to wash your face morning and night, otherwise you're not going to have a glowing skin. So after you do this, guys, you then go wash it off with a normal water, and then you repeat this. You're gonna be having some little hot sensation. It's perfect. It's not gonna harm your skin because it's actually ginger. Okay, it's not gonna do anything to your skin. But yeah, after that, then you go wash it off, and you can repeat this treatment every day. I scrub it all off for 7 days. All of those dark blackheads, whiteheads hanging everywhere, making your face look disgusted, will be gone. And that's it. That's just a very simple and easy way to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. Scrub it all off, and you are gonna be loving it. Most of the time, just like I said in the video, at your T-zone area where you produce oil the most, that's where you should apply this. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching it, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and share this video, and I will see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and bye, guys.